Zire 31. The Zire 31 is a Zire handheld from palmOne. The product was first released in April 2004 as a replacement for Zire 21. It runs palmOS 5.28 and features a color 160x160 display, a SDIO slot, and a standard 3.5mm stereo headphones jack. The improved PIM apps calendar, contacts, tasks, and memos are supplied. The ROM includes RealOne Player, giving the device some digital audio player capabilities. They can be extended with third-party software, such as TCPMP. The Zire 31 has a 5-way navigator pad, but still only 2 quick buttons as opposed to the standard 4 on the mid-range Zires 71/72. It was replaced by the Z22, which lacks the SD/MMC/SDIO expansion and headphone jack. Specifications: